Immersed. It's a great experience.
From start to finish, it just felt really fulfilling.
1, 2.
Immersed Festival is a real-world simulated university project where the students here at the Atrium campus come together to work on a festival project.
I was the press officer, so I was emailing companies, emailing journalists, trying to make those connections and getting the word out there and making sure people are interested and aware of Immersed.
We started off in the Cardiff campus doing the designs for the lighting. All of us as designers had to learn the WYSIWYG software, had to learn CAD softwares to put in fixtures to prep everything out.
I was in the management group, so I think leading up to it, my role was probably organisation, overlooking all the other groups, making sure everyone's in line.
On the Friday, we set all the fixtures up, all the lights up, put the LED wall up, made a front of house area, accurately placing things to make cameras look happy.
Yeah, performing on the Haven stage, which was for more of a quieter scene, for like acoustic singer-songwriters. I was really happy with my performance overall. To work with so many other courses and so many other people with different skills like illustration, fashion, drama. It's contacts, it's networking.
Me personally, I've learned design skills. To do a design and then put it into real life, in a real life environment is really useful.
Communication specifically for me in terms of how to talk with industry professionals, do it as part of your passion.
I feel a lot more confident in like leadership roles. I've always been fairly happy to take those roles on, but it's the confidence that comes with it, and now it's nice to know that I feel confident in doing something like that again.
In the world, you need to be confident in your abilities, you need to be aware of your skill set. You get to find out your passions, your desires, and it might just awaken a spark in you.